A 500,000 subscriber channel has no idea I just copied their exact formula. Same hook structure, same pacing, same style of storytelling, built from scratch using free AI. And I'm going to show you every single step right now. Before anything else, one thing I want to be clear about. This isn't about stealing content. Copying someone's actual words is plagiarism, and platforms catch it fast. What we're doing is reverse engineering a format. The hook structure, the pacing, the way a video builds to its payoff. None of that is owned by anyone. It's a pattern. And once you show AI the pattern, it can rebuild it around any topic you want. The first thing you need is the actual text from their videos, because Claude can't directly watch YouTube. So here's how you get it. Install a free Chrome extension, open any video on the channel you want to analyze, click the extension, and it converts the entire video transcript into clean, readable text that Claude can actually work with. Do this for 3 to 5 of their best performing videos. Then open Claude and paste everything in together with this prompt. What Claude gives back isn't their words, it's the shape of how they tell stories. Hook length, number of beats, where the tension builds, where the payoff lands. That template is what everything else gets built from. Now take that template and a completely new topic and feed both back into Claude. And here's the thing most people get completely wrong when they try this. They type something like, "Write in the style of Mr. Beast," with no context, and wonder why it sounds nothing like Mr. Beast. The reason is simple. AI doesn't know what you mean by style, but when you give it an actual structural template, the exact beats, the exact pacing, the exact arc, it has something real to work from. That's what makes the output feel matched instead of generic. Script is done. Now it needs a voice. I use ElevenLabs, a free tier that gives you 10,000 credits every month. No credit card needed. Open it, paste the script in, and pick a voice that matches the energy of the original channel. Documentary-style channels need something calm and measured. High-energy channels need something faster. Match the feel, not just the words. Hit generate, download the MP3, and move on. Last piece, the visuals. I use Kling AI on the free tier. 66 credits a day, resets every 24 hours. The key here is matching the visual style of the original channel, not just generating random clips. If they use cinematic wide shots, generate cinematic wide shots. If they use simple text on dark backgrounds, keep it minimal. The visual style is part of the formula too. Once the clips are ready, bring everything into CapCut, also free. Drop the voiceover on first, since that's the backbone. Line the clips up against it, add captions, put some music underneath low enough that it doesn't compete with the narration, and export. Built from scratch in one afternoon for $0. This is how you start a faceless channel that doesn't look like every other AI channel out there, because you're not guessing at what works. You're starting from something that already does. One last thing, don't copy words, copy structure, and don't pick a niche just because it's popular. If you have no interest in it, you'll run out of ideas before you get any traction. Pick a channel whose format genuinely impresses you. Learn from it, then make it yours. Drop a comment telling me which channel you're going to analyze first. I want to know. And follow AI Chief, subscribe to our weekly newsletter, and follow us on Instagram for daily AI updates. All links in the description.